Hey guys, Cameron and Jess here of Be Chic's Treasures, and we are in the studio bringing to you some things that we have acquired over the weekend by Essential Stencil, and we're super excited. And we're gonna go ahead and share some things with you here. What do we have? What did we get today?
We're so excited. We've done some videos on Essential Stencils, and they are so easy to use and are so awesome. So, make a long story short, we have become ambassadors for Essential Stencils.
Yes.
And what that means is we get the opportunity to give you guys 10% off of anything that you order, and all you have to do is go to www.bechictreasures.com, head down to the bottom of the page, click on the link that says Essential Stencils. It'll move you over to their site. You shop all day, and then you put in the code Be Chiqued, which is on the website, and you'll receive your 10% off. So
10%, a whole 10%?
A whole 10. So with that being said, I'm going to just show you some of the things that they sent to us, because we will be doing some future videos and showing you how and giving you some trips and ticks. Haha, tips and tricks.
Tips and tricks.
So one of the things that we got are these little, what are these? Oops.
The Scrabble letters.
Scrabble letters. I just can't talk tonight.
Scrabble letters.
Pretty cool. You can make some different signs with it. You can actually create an entire Scrabble game.
Yes.
It'd be huge, like a huge lawn game or something. That would be fun. Fun summer games. And then we have this this stencil here that it says, what does it say?
We decided on forever.
Just like Cameron and I. Okay, and then the other one says over here, you can see this in our video, we have made this pillow here that says we should probably be cuddling, or cuddle. We should probably cuddle. And that is a full video that Cameron did himself not too long ago, so check that one out also. And that's a 2-pack. Those are super cute, and they're for all year long, but really cute for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So for those of you that are local, make sure you head over to the Garage Sale Warehouse and take a look. They'll be there soon.
4810 Southwest Western Avenue.
Yeah.
Beaverton, Oregon 97005. That's where you can find us.
That's it. So then there's also these welcome. These are huge. These are 52 inches, and there's 4 different pieces, and you'll get them all together, and you do need like a pretty large board to accommodate this. But you can also decorate the background. You can paint it. You can stain it. You can do whatever you want.
Good for storefronts.
Yeah,
and
storefronts,
your
your
businesses.
home.
Yeah, yes.
This was outside of ours, so we like that. And then there's this one here. It was a winter collection, and there's 3 of them that come with it. 1, 2, 3. And this one says, baby, it's cold outside.
It's cold outside,
yeah,
baby.
It actually is, because it's winter. But this one has these cute snowflakes and polka dots. Those can be used with other stencils if you want to just use the little snowflakes.
Oh, just mix and match them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice.
It's pretty cool that way.
Yes, yes.
And then there's this other one they sent us, and it comes in a 2-pack. It says, together is my favorite place to be, which is such our truth. And then home is a good place to be, which is so cute. So there's this one, and then there's the other one on the back. So, and then they also sent us this other collection. It comes with one that says home, blessed, and welcome. So we got that one. And we're pretty excited about that one.
Really love the creative writing on that. We did this one here.
Yeah, so anyway, some really fun things, versatile projects. You can definitely get pretty down and dirty with these. It's so simple. I do have some tricks and tips on some other videos that both Cameron and I have demonstrated for you. In case you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thumbs up, subscribe, so we can keep showing you the things that we do know, and you guys can learn from us as we do learn from you. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in our next video.